Hi, I'm glad you're here. In this course, I'll show you the basic exercises for your face yoga practice. This means each video is one single exercise which I'll explain to you step by step, and we'll also practice it together right away so that by the end of the course you'll have a good foundation to really do targeted full workouts, but also to have the exercises down first. Because it's super important, as in any area, that you perform the individual exercises correctly so that they actually have the effect we want them to have. It's also a good database for you to always come back to. If, for example, during a workout or workouts, you notice that you're still unsure about something, or you want to check again, oh, how did that go exactly? Or am I doing this right? You'll always have the option to go back and review the individual exercises step by step. And that's why each exercise is in a separate video, so you can access them individually. And if you have questions about any of the exercises, feel free to write them under the corresponding video, and I'll be happy to add clarifications either in writing, or I can also add another video so that we can work together to make sure you've got it all down. So I hope you have a lot of fun, and get in touch if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you.